can. Let me bring the tea, okay? It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at our home. The real I know a spot. Good morning. Morning.
Turn right.
It's your girl Casey. Apparently my other name is, what is that name? Cosmic Cat.
Not Sis Mama.
Still thinking about that. Another one is Sis Mama. No, I'm just Casey, guys. I'm Casey.
Sis Mama, the Cosmic Cat.
And yeah, welcome back to the channel. This is a travel channel. Casey on the cam with your boy Uno, the nature boy. We on our way to Wathaba, okay? We're going to an art resident type of trip. It's not an art resident place, but we're going to make it because we have plans. We have art plans, okay?
It's your boy Father Nature. I know you've heard of Brother Nature. I'm Father Nature. Why? Because I intend on naming my firstborn Nature. This road takes you from the east to the west. So when you're driving that side in the morning, you got the most beautiful sunrise.
Exactly. Sunset.
Sunrise.
Oh, sunrise.
When you're going that way.
When you're going, oh yeah.
When you're going back home to Pretoria,
okay,
they're hitting you with the most beautiful sunrise. Sunset.
It's time to go pee now. It's time to go take out some, dirt from the car. First stop at some garage, shop garage. Out in the outskirts, man. We're really offline right here. Open roads, beautiful views on the side right now that are gonna come out. Snacking on the road. Yep. We at our second stop. Uno just needs to do the damn things, guys. Imagine. Yeah. I don't know if I should go see the rhinos or what, but I think it's the right thing to do. So let me go see the rhinos. Let me go see what the hype here is. This is South Africa, y'all. This is South Africa. Wow. Look at the views. Look at the water there. Just look at the landscapes. Okay. Right there by Billy's. We are actually in Machadosdorp. That's where we're going. Let's go and see some water. That should have happened. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. To our destination.
Almost there, almost there, almost there.
How do you feel?
A few more bends. I'm already refreshed. I think I'm refreshed mostly by just being out here, man. You're seeing this shit.
Look at the green. Sorry.
Am I allowed to swear in your videos?
This is exactly where we are going to be. Inside there. That's where we're gonna be. How beautiful is that? I can't wait.
Destination.
Yeah, we've arrived, man. We're here. at WATHABA. I love it here already. Look at our home. This is us. Yay. And these are the sounds. Wow. Yeah, but we just checked in our cabin and this is how beautiful it looks. How cozy is this? There's books up here. This is the kitchen. There's like everything. So cozy. The fireplace. A real reading spot. Podcast and show I'll share soon.
First meal in the new crib. What do you call this?
Health sandwich.
Okay.
Ready to go to the waterfall, you know?
Kathy's health sandwich.
Yeah. There's Uno lighting up our geyser, I guess. That's how it works, guys. You'll never know these fun things. That's what's happening. But we are about to head out for the first adventure. We're going to see the waterfall. Come with us to go see the waterfall. Right, we're going to see the sunset at the waterfall. Can you hear the water? The little mushrooms that we're going to find.
Are you going to forage?
We're going to forage and we'll let you guys know all about those mushrooms. We're about to get to the rainbow. Woo! Wow! It's so beautiful. Oh my god. You guys. The real I know a spot. What? The water down there. Wow. It's so magical. Now the monkeys are running away. Look at them. Oh my god, guys. We like actually in nature. No, this is the most beautiful view.
You run your
Seriously.
extension. I guess when you run your extension, you set up the studio.
Yeah, this is where you set up your studio actually. To make. So it's 7:30 at the camp and I'm about to use the chili that I grew. I grew this, okay. I guess we're gonna put that 3-foot thing there and put our meat on the grilling things. Let me bring the tea, okay? Cooking on the fire, on the ground, okay? This is how Africans do it. Y'all should all know it.